Guys, it is iPhone announcement day, and I'm glad that you are back with me because we are unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium, which just absolutely looks killer. But then you also got the iPhone 15 Pro in white titanium. This one is my wife's. This is what she picked. I don't know. I got a little bit of FOMO. I think I like the white better, but we're going to see here. We're going to unbox the phones, see what's in the boxes, and I'll give you my thoughts and impressions. So let's get right on into it. And here we're going to start with the iPhone Pro Max in blue titanium. Wow, the frosted glass is really beautiful. Like, check that out. Wow, that looks wonderful. Let's take a look at that bad boy. Like, that is just very, very nice looking. I like that a lot. Like, it just shimmers so nicely. The matte glass is very nice. The blue is very nice. Now, one thing that you might not know is that the fast charging cable that is included inside the box is limited to 30 watts of fast charging. So that is as fast of a charger that you can get with this, no matter which USB-C brick that you use. And that's because the cable and the phone and the charger all negotiate what the phone is capable of, and that's how that works. But this is USB-C cable. Now let's look back here. Inside here we have, oh, this is again eSIM this year. Now a lot of people didn't like eSIM last year. They had a lot of trouble. That's it. We have a single Apple sticker in white as well. So not a whole lot inside the box. But let's activate this bad boy. The bezels are thinner, but I wouldn't say that they're noticeably thinner. It's not like you're like, oh wow, it's like a big difference like from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 13. It's not that kind of dramatic. It's a little bit shorter, not by much. I don't want to do that touch. You know, picking these two up, they are a bit of a difference. I mean, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a little bit lighter than the iPhone 15 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. I would say that it's noticeable, but what I say is actually more noticeable is the way that your hand wraps around the sides of these, which the rails themselves are kind of curved at the edges. It makes it a little bit easier to hold. It's not as sharp, definitely for sure, not as sharp to hold. Now let's talk about the cases, because the cases are a little bit of contention. I've noticed that the cases are kind of hard to put on, and once you have them on, I mean, they don't look bad. This is the blue case. I think I like a little bit more contrast, right? I don't like the blue on blue, a little bit too much blue. But once you put the cases, it's really hard to put them off or get them off. Excuse me. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so it's not really easy to take them off. I do have cases coming from Spigen, Peak Design, D Brand, and a few others. So make sure you get subscribed if you want to see those unboxed and reviewed. Now let's get this white iPhone titanium, which upon further investigation, I don't think I'm as jealous as I thought I was going to be. I thought there was going to be a lot of fingerprints on this, but it doesn't seem to be too bad, in my opinion. I mean, of course there are going to be fingerprints. It's just your fingers are on it directly. Now, I like using it without a case sometimes, so I do like that flexibility. Which here's the white. I haven't opened it up yet, but we're going to do that right now. Oh wow, that's actually really nice. It is really nice. It's actually more white. It's kind of like an almond. That actually might be too white for the camera. Yeah, that's actually, oh, there it is. That's the color. That looks nice. It's almost like an almond white. It's frosted glass. It looks beautiful. Here's the white for you. It does look beautiful. Look at the way so I have some lights over here that are colored, and look at the way that they're kind of reflecting on here. Oh, that looks beautiful. I don't know. It really does look beautiful. And if we do this side by side, kind of get the shimmeriness of both of these. It looks beautiful. I like it, but I think I like the blue better. The blue looks super svelte, right? It just looks nice. I mean, the white looks really nice. The white probably should be called like, it's not quite almond because it's not brown. It doesn't have any shade of brown in it, but it does look very nice. And look at the side rails; they do look nice. So here's the onboarding for the action button. And I think this is actually very cool that Apple's allowing you to customize your iPhone this way. So by default, if you push this, it gives you the silent mode. You can choose to set a focus mode, and then you can change what that focus mode is. You can do the camera, then choose the photo mode, flashlight, voice memo, it's gonna be kind of cool, and magnifier, or choose a shortcut. And then next, I think it's maybe 16.1, which is gonna be big for the iPad, by the way. 16.1, I think you should be able to do voice transcription live on the screen. So that's actually gonna be very cool. I'm actually gonna do photos, and I'm gonna choose video. Actually, I'm gonna choose portrait. Continue. Emergency SOS, we know that. Okay, welcome to iPhone. Now, like many of you, you're powering on your phone for the very first time. You probably don't leave it outside of a case for very long, and you probably don't leave it without a screen protector. And that's actually going to be the first thing that I do is I'm going to put a screen protector on. Today, I'm going to put on Spiegel's Easy Glass Fit or Easy Fit Glass Screen Protector. I've been using these for a number of years, and thanks again for Spigen for sending these out. These are the easiest to apply screen protectors for the iPhone, in my opinion, and they last very long. When you get it, it does have a frame that you apply to it, and it's just really a single application that takes nothing more than just a few minutes. So we're gonna apply that here in just a moment. So it tells you all the steps. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna pull up from here. We're gonna apply that screen protector, press it down. We're just letting it adhere to the case itself. You can see the bubbles starting to come in. And so here's how it looks with the screen protector on. You see it's actually a pretty good job. There's no bubbles. You're just gotta be patient with it and it works out well. Again, thanks for Spigen for sending that out. Again, the Easy Fit Pro links are down in the description in case you wanna pick one up. But I don't think I'm gonna swap it out for white or the natural. I don't think you can go wrong with either color. It's really gonna be personal preference. The blue is gonna show marks on it if you are not using a case, but if you're using a case, you are certainly not going to notice that my watch is still disconnected from my phone because I haven't received my new watch yet, which I am getting a new Apple Watch 2. Though I don't know if I'm going to keep it. That's the thing. I don't know. We'll figure that out today. But let me know which one you like better. Do you like the blue? Do you like the white? If you didn't get either one of these colors, what colors did you get? Let me know down in the comments below. My name is Mike. Make sure you're subscribed again. I got more content coming in terms of case reviews and kind of overall impressions of these devices after using them for a few days. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.